The December meeting of the Ottawa Model Car Group was on the 16th of December, and we had a good turnout for the meeting. The place was dressed up somewhat festively with a Christmas tree and a crackling fire on the television set that's in the store. It was our annual Christmas build event. Now what happens is everybody brings a kit that they don't want. They wrap it up, and then it's a blind pick by number. So the first person picks their kit, they open the kit. The second person picks a kit that's wrapped and decides whether to open it or to take the other fellow's kit. And then, of course, when the third person gets theirs, they have the chance to open or take one of the first two guys, and so on. So basically, the one that draws the last number runs the board, right? He or she has the pick of the whole litter. So for the most part, people were happy with what they got, and then they just kept them. But there was a few interesting kits that were put into the pile that went and changed hands a number of times. So there was much merriment by all. Now, the other rule to this little event is that when you get a kit at the exchange, you must build the kit and bring the built kit back the following year. If you don't build it, or if you start it and do not complete it, you either bring the unstarted kit back, or you bring a substitute for the kit that you messed up, and that goes into our prize pile for the Ottawa Scale Model Showcase that will be in September. So some of our prize models from the prize table and that come from this event every year, courtesy of the Model Car Group. Anyhow, after this little short video of the guys getting ready for the event, and they're looking through parts boxes. One of our members was kind enough to bring in all his spare parts and that he accumulated over the years. Tires, rims, motor blocks, bodies, hoods, who knows what. Anyways, everybody had a good time going through them and picking stuff for conversions and future projects. So once this was done, the exchanging was completed, and then we went to the built models, which we will now display for you.